Hi guys, welcome to Unit 12. In this unit, we're going to be discussing Hiphil infinitives. Recall that infinitives are infinite in that they can apply to either time, past or future, all numbers of people, singular or plural, all people, it could be I, you, he, they, and also it could refer to either gender, masculine or feminine. The first type of infinitive is called an infinitive absolute. So recall that this is the infinitive where you have that double language, where you have two shorashim in a row that are identical. And the first of the series is the infinitive, and the second one is the finite verb. So infinitive, finite verb. And what word do you insert instead of the infinitive? You insert the word surely, certainly, definitely, emphatically, any of the above. So the word shamoa tishma'u, these two words, you translate most of the phrase based on your finite verb. So shamoa tishma'u means you will listen. And you just insert the word surely, you will surely listen. Similarly, ra'o ra'iti, I translate the phrase based on the second word. I surely saw. I see saw past tense. I saw, I surely saw. Now, when I have a Hiphil infinitive absolute, the same thing happens. I have two words in a series where I have the same shoresh appearing two times. The first time is the infinitive, and the second time is the finite verb. And I insert the word surely, or certainly, or definitely in place of the first word, and I translate the finite verb based on its conjugation. So hishbia means he caused to swear. Notice that I have the past tense formula of he chirik shva, right, which tells me I'm dealing with past tense hiphil. And notice I have my chirik malay, very indicative of hiphil. Okay, I have to insert the word surely in the middle. He surely caused to swear. And notice that the conjugation of my infinitive, I have my hey patach, right? Which is something that I would expect of a hiphil infinitive. I have a hey of hiphil, and patach, as we've seen with future tense, we saw with commands. We're going to see now with infinitives, and we're soon going to see with participles, that the patach is really, really, really strong for hiphil. And then, instead of getting a chirik malay, right, which I'd expect, that zatya, the chirik malay, I get a tseirei. You've seen this before, right, that the chirik malay turned into tseirei for hiphil. With vav ha'hipach, when there was no suffix, vayash came, we'd expect vayash came. Vayash came Avram Baboker, right? That's Seirei. Where else did you see this Seirei? You saw it when we had commands. It went from, let's say, tashlich, right? Tashlich to hashlich. Here, right, my chirik malay of tashlich turned into Seirei. So it's no surprise that when I'm in these infinitives, I'm going to see my chirik malay turn into its seirei. So now let's look at the worksheet that you can print off of Angel to see how we can see this in action in Tanakh. Okay, vatomer imo. So vatomer, tough could be you or she. Here we have a woman. So his mother said, that's the she. If a woman's name or identity follows the tough, it's usually a she. His mother said, Hakdish hikdashti. So notice Hakdish is an infinitive, and it's followed by a finite verb that has the same shoresh right after. So I know I'm going to add the word surely into my translation. Kuf dalid shin, we're going to see, is one of the vocab words for this unit, and it means to dedicate. So we translate this phrase based on the finite verb. So I surely dedicated et hakesef, the silver, LaHashem, to Hashem, miyadi, for my hands, livni, for my son, la'asot pesel. Just to review, la'asot is a kal infinitive, shoresh ayin sin hey, and we have that hey ot connection. To do, or to make, in this case it's to make, pesel, an idol, ve'ata ashivenu lach. So I want to focus on the word ashivenu. Okay, so we're going to play our game. Do you recognize the shoresh shiv? And the answer is no, you do not. So therefore, it must be that the chirik malay is the chirik malay of hifiel. And you have the aleph prefix meaning I will. The shoresh is shuv, which is to return, but it's hifiel, so it's cause. I will cause to return. I will cause to return. New here is it, lach, to you. I will cause it to return to you. I will return it, meaning the silver, to you. Now let's skip to number 5. We're going to skip around a bit. Okay, so let's look at 5. In Zvarim, Vayomer Moshe said hakilu, right? Hakilu is a hifiel command. I have a hey patach. I have a chirik malay, right? And I have an u at the end, which makes it a you masculine plural command. Okay. So Moshe said, congregate to me. Whom should he congregate? So remember, hifiel often has his best friends, et, which tells me who's receiving the action. So congregate to me at kol zignei shiftechem, all the elders of your shvatim. They should be congregated. Acharei moti, after my death, ki hashchi tashchitu. And notice hashchi tashchitu. I have a hifiel infinitive. I have my hey patach. I have a tzirei, right? And I have a double shoresh in a row. Okay, that's the same. So my first word is going to be the word surely. And my second word is a word that I'm going to actually translate. So you will, and what's shin chet tav, you will destroy. So what word do I insert in the middle? You will surely, or you shall surely, you shall surely destroy. And we're going to hold off translating the rest of the pasuk until later in this unit. Okay, so we're going to hold off on the rest for a few moments. Now let's do our final example, number 7. We're going out of order. And number 7 in Sefer Shmot, Vayikach Moshe et atzmot Yosef imo. Moshe took the bones of Yosef with him. Ki hashpeya hishpia et. Remember my best buds, right? Et is best buds with hifiel. Ki hashpeya hishpia. So hashpeya is my infinitive, so it gets the surely. How about hishpia? So hishpia is something that we saw on an earlier slide, and that means he caused to swear. And don't forget the surely, so it becomes he surely caused to swear again. Hey chirik shva is past tense. So he surely caused to swear et b'nei Israel. Whom did he surely cause to swear? He surely caused b'nei Israel to swear. Remember, whatever follows my et are the ones who receive the action. He surely caused b'nei Israel to swear. Lamor, what's lamor? Introduces direct quotes. Pakod yifkod, right? This is old kal stuff, right? This is a kal infinitive. Hashem will surely remember. Remember, pakad could be, one of the translations of pakad could be remember. So Hashem will remember etchem, you, v'ha'alitem. What's v'ha'alitem? V'ha'alitem is past tense. You see the tem suffix, right? That tells me it's past tense. But I have a vav before it. And remember our rule? Generally, any vav before a past tense word flips it to future tense. I have a hey prefix, which tells me it's hifiel. It's going to be causative because the shoresh Allah appears in kal. So it's you will cause to go up. You will raise up. What will you raise up? Et, remember best buds, right? Hiphil and Et are best friends. They often accompany each other. You will cause my bones to go up. You will raise up my bones, mizah, from this place, itchem, with you, from Egypt with you.